Okay, this is Wolfie, and after some time of waiting, I decided to take another video, but Wolf is still not doing anything exciting. Every time I go inside to get my phone to try and make a video, he stops doing the exciting thing. Recently, it's just spinning around his stomach and biting his tail, but no more. Apparently, he doesn't want camera time. You could have been on the internet, but no. I bet my life savings that the next time Wolf doesn't see me outside with my phone, he's going to get up and start being active. Well, maybe not literally, but all my life savings. I've saved quite a bit. And by quite a bit, I mean literally quite a bit. I'm basically poor. JK, I'm middle class. But anyway, back to my dog. So, how's it like being a dog, huh? Write that down, write that down. Trying to make this sound like a talk show to be entertaining or stuff. Wolf, wolf, wolf. 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 I even walked away and paused the video, and he did not see my phone, and he's still trying to bite his leg or something. I don't really know what he's even doing right now. Well, I've wasted 3 minutes of your time. Bye, guys. And Wolf, you gonna say bye, or should I just? I'm just gonna